Hey y'all, welcome to my channel if you are new, and if not, welcome back.
That's what the pay like. Call me Buffy cause that's what I slay like. These bitches I sun them like it's daylight. These niggas wanna know what it tastes like. What it tastes like, yo, what it tastes like, yo. They wanna know what it tastes like, yo. All this ice, it just tastes like snow. Get kimonos and let's fly to Tokyo. Pretty, pretty, please, baby, won't you have this for me?
So in today's video, it is gonna be a cooking video, my first cooking video, and I'm gonna be trying to do the hot Cheeto chicken. I'm gonna be making chicken with this, so stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, I hope you like my channel. Let's get started with the video. So the first thing you need to do is get your chicken. I didn't do anything to the chicken. This is the chicken. This is the chicken.
So the first thing you want to do before starting anything is make sure to wash your hands first. Make sure to wash your dirty hands because you don't want to contaminate food or anything. So make sure you guys wash your hands for real, for real.
Clean this. You have to clean the chicken first, season it, and then we'll go from there. So let's season. Let's clean the chicken first. Okay, so I need to stop looking cross-eyed. That's the first thing. Chicken. Now we have to get the stuff to clean it. You're gonna need lime juice and vinegar. So I'm about to get it. But the first thing I'm gonna do is rinse this out. This feels so weird, like it's so mushy. I feel like, okay. Take the lime first. Okay. Pour in the vinegar. So I'm following what my mother does.
And then just clean the chicken. Okay. If you're not old enough to do this, let an adult help you because I'll have to go cut yourself. This one, start okay with the next. And then feel for perfect. So feel for this. I guess this will be the drumstick, and then just cut.
Okay, first piece.
Piece. I did, but it's supposed to look like this. So boom. We got up all the pieces.
Okay, so you're gonna have to work with me because I just broke my ring light.
The thing to the top came off and I don't know how to fix it back. So yeah. Get the chicken. Get your lemon pepper.
So I already took the oil and I pour it in there. So we just have to wait for it to get hot enough.
You ready, season the top? Let me move this out of the way. Flip it over.
After we finish seasoning the chicken, it should look like this, and then we should have the flour here to put it in. Finish seasoning the chicken. Make sure you wash your hands. And now we're gonna check to see if the oil is hot enough to put it in before we put it in the flour. So what I like to do to check it is wet my hand with some water like this, and if it doesn't, okay, it's popping now, so that means it's ready. So now we're gonna put it in the flour.
So we just dropped the first one in! Take the next one. Okay, so I washed around again. Now I'm gonna do the big pieces. So there's not enough space, so we're just going to put these two in the bag and drop.
While we wait for the first set of chickens to fry, we're gonna mash up the Cheetos now. So I don't have a big bag of these Cheetos, I'm gonna use the small one. Since I don't have a blender, I'm gonna just have to do it like this. If you have a blender, you could just blend it, but that's not the case, so yeah.
That's the chicken now. It's starting to fry. Now that we mashed up the Cheetos, we're gonna put it into the bowl, and then we're gonna get the ranch to put in here.
We're going to fry for a little more, and then I'm going to flip it over. So we have the mashed up Cheetos. I tried my best to do it, so I'm going to do it some more. And then we have the ranch, and then the chicken will go here.
Wait, we can't lose it. Can I zoom out?
Okay, so I had to switch the chicken from the front of the stove to the back of the stove because it's a lot of problems. So I'm gonna show y'all right now. So as y'all can see, it's starting to turn brown. So I'm just gonna flip it over maybe. I'm gonna just take it, the chicken, put it in.
Update.
I really suggest that you use a blender.
Because the first chicken, the second one horrible, and this one, it's just a regular one. It's seasoned good.
Cheetos may be a fail, but it tastes good. So, I don't know.
Fried chicken, slap, automatically. 10, 100. What? The range with the Cheetos, if I can get it to work, then we'll rate it. The second set of chicken, is in. So attempt number 2 to see if this one will be like fully covered. I already dipped it in again. Guys, I wanted to try a new method and put the Tabasco sauce in to see if I get the chicken to stick with the Tabasco sauce, and then try. So this wasn't working because it's not really crunched up, so it's not really sticking. And the ranch, I don't know. And this is hot sauce, right? Okay, get it. This is what I get. The first one looks eye, so I decided to put the hot sauce over it first, dip it in, put ranch where like it wasn't going in. One die just finished, so I want to wait for the rest. This is what it looks like. So this side is just regular fried chicken, and then this will wrap up. Wait.
And then these are the Cheeto.
I didn't use all of the pepper chips, so I tried my best to blend it. Pepper wasn't like really melting. I just put the chip over it and put it in the microwave instead of putting it in the oven because I didn't want to do all of that. So now I'm gonna taste one of the pepper ones and then this ranch to dip it in. So I don't know which one to take. I'm gonna take this one. Take a wing. I'm gonna take a flap. I'm gonna take it. This is so hot. It tastes good. It's just pepper. Dip it around. Actually tastes good. It's just a lot of pepper. We'll burn him. Let's see it. Okay. My eyes red? Okay, no. But for real, it actually tastes good. This is pepper's house. Hard pepper. I can't even bite this. I'm not gonna bite it. I'm gonna take a piece of it and dip it in the ranch because it's too pepper. But I give it, I'd say like 8 out of 10. It's not bad. I mean, I give it a 9. I give it an 8 because I didn't get to mash the pepper up. But maybe if I mash it up more, it would have tasted better. Or would have come out smoother. But yeah, I give it an 8. I'm gonna try this one. I can try this one. One of these. Whew. Now these, the fried wings by itself is a 10 out of 10, peep. It's a 10 out of 10, sweetie. No question. No question to it. Because it tastes good. Seasoned good. Fried good. But anyways, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe if you are new. So yeah.